Blocks in ScratchJr. ScratchJr blocks are divided into different categories based on their functions. Let us learn about the blocks in detail. Motion blocks. Motion blocks are used to control the movement of a character. They are blue in color. Some of the commonly used motion blocks are: move right, moves the character to the right. Move left, moves the character to the left. Move up, moves the character up. Move down, moves the character down. Turn right, rotates the character clockwise by a specified amount. Turn left, rotates the character anti-clockwise by a specified amount. Looks blocks. Looks blocks are used to modify the character's costumes and colors. Some of the commonly used looks blocks are: say, shows a specified message in a speech bubble about the character. Grow, increases the character's size. Shrink, decreases the character's size. Hide, fades out the character until it is invisible. Show, fades in the character until it is visible. Control blocks. Control blocks are used to repeat and pause the character. Wait, pauses the script for a specified amount of time in tenths of seconds. Stop, stops all the character scripts on the page. Sound blocks. Sound blocks are green in color. They control the sound functions. Pop, plays a pop sound. Play recorded sound, plays a sound recorded by the user. Events blocks. Events block control how the blocks in a script will start to run if a particular action is done. They are yellow in color. 1. Start on green flag. Starts the script when the green flag is tapped. Start on tap. Starts the script when you tap the character.